Hi everyone, this is my message to you for week 6. I wrote a letter to future nursing students. In the letter, I added a link on promoting technology. This link brings you to um, a document about a vision for changing faculty roles, preparing students for the technology world of healthcare. So this kind of just goes along with everything that we're talking about and how it is the role of the educator to prepare the students for the technology that they're going to be entering into their future careers. And then I also added a YouTube video about what it is to be a nurse. It's not directly talking about technology, but it goes along to talk about how being a nurse is being a leader and being an educator and using technology. And throughout the video, you can kind of see technology being used, and just the creation of the video itself is the use of technology.